out here spreading fertilizer. It's getting to the end of the field here. I'm going to pause my auto steer, stop recording, make my turnaround. Get close to my purple line here. Hit continue to pick up the purple line, start recording. And I'll shift my spreader back in. We have 40-foot offsets set up as we get very, very accurate fertilizer spreading. And let me tell you, very stress-free. I don't have to worry about whether I'm overlapping, whether I'm missing anything. Just need to keep my PTO at the right speed and sit back and relax. Beautiful morning to be fertilizing our grass hay fields.